Everyone, but especially women, desire to have skin that is healthy, fairer, and softer. They always desire to experiment with creams and lotions in an effort to improve their skin, but they are unable to do so due to the high cost of these products. The finest feature of this product's ingredient is that it is affordable, widely accessible, safe, and incredibly powerful. Baking soda, sometimes referred to as sodium bicarbonate, is the key component in this homemade beauty treatment. Your skin will get softer and all of the acne and pimples will be permanently removed using baking soda. The ways to employ this extraordinary component to enhance the health of your skin are as follows. All you have to do is to follow the simple guidelines below. Use baking soda as face peel. Simply combine 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water to create a paste, which you can then use as a facial peel. All of your dead skin cells will be removed by this miraculous mixture, which will also leave your skin feeling extra smooth and fresh. You will begin to notice changes in your body as your skin begins to appear supple. As a skin exfoliant, baking soda works well. It is effective for treating acne and blackheads due to its potent antifungal and antibacterial properties. You only need to apply the baking soda paste to your face and massage it for around 5 minutes if you want to try it. After that, clean it out as usual using lukewarm water and light soap. Use baking soda to soften your cuticles. The majority of people are unaware of this, however baking soda can soften your cuticles. Simply completely combine some water and baking soda together. Apply this combination with a nail polish brush to your cuticles and nails. The cuticle was then gently rubbed until it was completely gone. Use baking soda to remove warts. Experts in medicine strongly advise using this home remedy because it works wonders for treating and eradicating warts. The only thing you have to do to get rid of the warts on your skin using this method is to blend lemon juice and sodium bicarbonate. After leaving it there for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it with clean and cold water. Use baking soda to remove skin deposits on your hair. Add some baking soda to your shampoo as you wash your hair. You can get rid of all the skin layers that have built up on your hair with the use of baking soda. You'll have lustrous hair you've never had before, and thanks to this ingredient. Use it to clean your combs and brushes. In addition to cleaning your combs and brushes, baking soda is one of the greatest things to use to remove plaque from your hair. All you need to do is correctly combine some baking soda and water that have been brought to a boil. After that, you can use this liquid to clean your brushes and combs. By applying these easy and simple steps using baking soda, you will definitely look 10 years younger. This remedy is indeed effective, which is already proven and tested, that why it is recommended by medical experts, so why not try these too? Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.